How to add your own music or sound to TikTok. If any day any of you are a TikTok user and you would like to add your own music or sound to TikTok but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to make sure that you have made a video of your own. That may be through any of the devices application. That may be of the editing application like InShot or CapCut or KineMaster. For example, I have used the Insert application here. So tapping on Insert like this, now you can go to the option of video here, and after tapping on the option of video, now you will see an interface like this. You have to tap on it and then you have to go to the option of new. Now after tapping on the option of the new, now you have to select any of your videos like this and go to the tick like icon. Now if the video has music on itself, it's okay. Otherwise you can also keep a music there by tapping on the option of music. Now here you have three of the option: adding a music, that may be a track on your mobile device that is of your own, which may be the option of my music. You can set any of the music from here and then go to the option of use like this and then tick like this, and after that you can save it on your mobile device. You can tap on the option of save, and after you save it, the video will be saved on your mobile device. After the video is saved on your mobile device, now you have to launch the TikTok application. For that you have to tap on TikTok like this, and after you tap on TikTok, TikTok will be launched on your mobile device. After TikTok is launched on your mobile device, you have to go to the plus like icon. After tapping on the plus like icon, now you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on plus icon like this, and then you have to go to the option of upload. After tapping on the option of upload, now you have to tap on the videos that you'd like to select, and you have to tap it like this. After tapping on the upload like this, now you can see the video. You have to tap on the video and then go to the option of select and then go to the option of next. Now this way, when the video will be selected and saved here, now the audio will be also saved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.